The guest is like a god, and right now, let me bow before all my guests because I believe that they are the reincarnation of God, at least for this moment. Thank you very much, all the dignities on the dais, and a very, very important people right here in this auditorium. I'm recollecting two lines के सभी दिशाओं से शुभ सुंदर भाव विचार भरे नित अंतर पुण्य धरा बन जाए स्वर्ग ये मेरे यत्नों से करुणा कर. The fact is, what I'm trying to tell you here, whether it is north, south, east or west, whether you're in India or abroad, whether you're on the top of the hill, खातिर परवाना बन गया हूँ, जरा देख ले आकर दीवाना बन गया हूँ, सजदे में गिर गया हूँ, अब तो जरा उठा ले, हम तेरे हो चुके हैं, जब चाहे आजमा ले.
And Sushil Bharti ji for inviting me here, and our members of the Wonder Women Connect for this prestigious 11th Global Film Festival, Noida. It's indeed a great honor and privilege to be here today. Also, I would like to extend my warm greetings to all the distinguished dignitaries present here on the dais. Woman is a beautiful and amazing creation of God, and every woman is glorious in her own way. At Wonder Women Connect, we believe that every woman is a Wonder Woman. No matter what background she is from, she always has the capacity to shine, or rather outshine. From being a homemaker to a professional to a businesswoman, her journey has never been easy. But despite all odds, she has been a shining beacon of light and has displayed exemplary dedication and excellence in all walks of life. Let all your dreams fly in the air. Let them play a game of dare. Who knows and who cares what lies ahead? Let your wishful wings spread. I believe there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Empowering women is to make them independent in all aspects, from mind, thoughts, rights, decisions, etc., by overcoming all the social and family limitations, bringing gender equality in the society. Women need fresh and more capable environment to express their views and take their own right decisions in every area for themselves, their families, and the society at large. Thus, I feel women empowerment is an essential tool for our country to develop. We have seen women cinema has ventured from time to time into stories with empowered and empowering women and displayed female role models with genuine voice of unabashed character in a power of influence. The portrayal of women in Indian cinema has changed drastically over the years. In recent times, characters are more real, and it's all about women's empowerment. It is a great time in terms of storytelling and for scripts that are well written, dealing with women-centric issues. Movies like Bareli Ki Barfi, Toilet, Dirty Picture, Queen, etc. are being made. In fact, it is a great time for Indian cinema with actresses like Vidya Balan, Richa Chadha, Rani Mukherjee, Kangana Ranaut, etc., who have been courageous enough to voice their opinion, addressing important issues facing the society. The present scenario has also seen the Me Too movement and the underlying challenges that have been brought into the limelight. With Bollywood being a big successful industry, Indian women, even in the smallest of households, can relate easily to the female characters played in the movies, thus bringing about awareness and influence all over the nation. I really appreciate Mr. Sandeep Marwaji, who has been an outstanding person who always inspires and supports women-related causes at various levels. And this world-class institution, he is bringing about change in gender equality at the grassroots levels by educating the young generations. I hope more such platforms continue to be organized to bring about women empowerment, to create change and upliftment in the society in true sense. Thank you all for listening.
And the best part is that these two things are right within you, and you don't even need eyes for that. On this very auspicious day, 88 allotments were made, 91 we started the studios, and after working for 2 years studios, we thought there is an ample need for education. We got into education. In 1993 we started AAFT, the first private film school of this country, and no looking back. I'm very happy that in a span of all these 28 years of film business, 25 years of education, we have completed 25 years of education.